So a few hours ago, an article on Tom's Hardware was made announcing that a special edition custom PC will be offered if 666 quarts of human blood is harvested in a US hard drive, or in a US blood drive, I'm sorry. It is a blood cooled, or not water cooled. It is a traditional liquid cool loop, but instead of using mineral oil or any other liquid, they're using human blood. And I mean, it just absolutely blows my mind, the crazy shit that Blizzard has been doing the last few years at least. So this actually says Blizzard is preparing to give away a custom liquid cooled PC infused with real human blood. This gruesomely powerful PC sweepstakes prize is being dangled in front of Diablo 4 fans for the season of blood and encourage blood donations to hospitals in the US. This outlandish reasoning behind this bloody PC sweepstakes is that from October 20th to November 20th of this year, 2023, it will encourage gamers in the US to visit blood donation centers in the US. It is hoped that those donating blood and logging their contribution will exceed 666 quarts or more of blood harvested before the time is up. At that point, a sweepstakes prize of the liquid cooled PC with real human blood, in quotes, will go live. There are a number of other blood harvest goals between 0 and 666 quarts as follows. I can't believe they actually have multiple prizes involving human blood. This is bad. So at 220 quarts, all players will receive weapon cosmetics, including a dagger, blood petal Antless, an axe, blood petal sever, necromancer focus, blood petal heart, a sword, blood petal blade, and a druid staff, blood petal bludgeon. At 440 quarts, all players will receive the Lock Wraith More Barbarian Armor cosmetic, plus the weapon cosmetics mentioned previously. And then at 666 quarts, all players will receive the above plus Vermilion Eye Piebald mount. Additionally, the headlining sweepstakes to win the custom real human blood infused PC will unlock, as long as you're over 18 years of age. Unlocks will occur on November 22nd of this year. And then here they actually have the specs for the blood infused PC. And this is just absolutely ridiculous. They have to realize that blood rusts. So a lot of the elbows and the brackets that you typically would find in a liquid cooled PC are made of some sort of alloy or metal. So they have to realize that this PC, this concept it's cool in theory because it's, based around Diablo, but that computer, give it less than a year and that thing is gonna start leaking like a fucking geyser. I'm just at a loss for words. I mean, they even have this video here. Let's check this out.
Every day, hundreds of defenseless mortals are drained of their blood in the name of Lord Zir. Together, we can make it thousands.
Oh my god.
With just a few minutes of your meaningless mortal life, you can contribute to Lord Zir's eternal reign. In return, you may receive mercy from his wrath in the Scourge Upon Sanctuary, in-game rewards, and this cute little sticker. Visit www.diablobloodharvest.com.
I'm just absolutely flabbergasted. Like this. So the PC specs for this giveaway, it's got an i9 13900K CPU, a 4090 RTX GPU, 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM, 3 terabyte SSD. You've got the EK Quantum water block. Those are actually one of the better water blocks from what I understand. And then the signature Diablo 4 case with color palette and a custom Season of Blood graphic, which is on the front here. This just absolutely blows my mind. I mean, I want to know what you guys think of this, because this is so far out of left field that it just to me it doesn't make any sense. Like, it's a cool theory, cool concept, but it just doesn't, like, I don't know who this is gonna appeal to. Maybe a diehard Diablo fan who, you know, can say this is a novelty item now. Like, what are you gonna do when this system eventually leaks? Those metal brackets are gonna get so corroded and rusted over that it's just gonna stop working. I mean, I don't know. I had to talk about this. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys down in the comments. Just, that's all I've got for you. Later.